with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create assignments using Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. So within Teams you have the option to issue assignments to your classes. So once you have a team set up like I do here, it's not visible to students, but that's fine because I'm still editing it. Along the top is where you have your options. So we're going to head over to assignments. So obviously if you already had some assignments issued, they'd be in this here, but I've not issued any assignments to this class. So I've just got this, why don't you create your first assignment message here. So from here, we click the create button, and then you can create an assignment, a quiz, or from existing. So if you have an assignment that you've used maybe in another team that you want to export over, you could do that. But for now, we're going to select the assignment option. So from here, you're going to need to enter a title for your assignment. So I'll just call mine major project for now. And then you'll need to enter some instructions, okay? So there's a pop-up here that you can now add images to instructions. So it might be that you add perhaps a JPEG or PNG version of your task sheet. What you can also do is actually attach the task sheet that you may already have for this assignment. Otherwise, you can copy and paste the content that you have for your task, and you can add that into instructions, okay? Okay, so I've just got very basic instruction there. Obviously, if I was doing this fully, I'd have a lot more instructions. And then I kind of like to just attach a task sheet because I already have them. And then within here, you can just say, refer to the task sheet for more information. So add your title, add any instructions that you want to add. And then we have points. So this is essentially your mark. So how much are you going to mark it out of? So you can add whatever total you want. So it could be out of 10, it could be out of 100, whatever you want to put on there. From there, you can also add a rubric. Okay, so adding a rubric, you can add the title, your description, and then how many points. And then it will come up with this template. So what's your description? And then having your criteria up here. So adding a rubric, again, is a really useful way. It's a little time consuming, particularly maybe if you've already got one in another format. However, once it's there, it makes marking it a lot simpler. So the next option is you have assign to. So what class are you going to assign it to? So it will default to whatever team that you're in, but maybe you want to assign it to some additional students, so you can do that on there. And you can choose all students, or you could select some specific students as well. The due date. So add the date that this project is due and then the time as well. And it says here, assignment will be posted immediately with late hand-ins allowed, okay? And you can edit that so that you can essentially have it cut off and then no more assignments are allowed to be issued via Teams. And then we come to the bottom, we have a few options here. So we have add assignment to calendars. So you can actually click on that, and then you could add it to the students' calendars, the student and your own calendar, and then the students and anyone else who's a member of the team. So maybe there's multiple teachers that are part of the team. You could add it to their calendars and all the students' calendars as well. So it's a great way because reminders will pop up from their calendar. Post assignment notification to this channel general. So it will add a post to the general section saying that an assignment has been issued. You can decide whether or not you want to receive notifications for late turn-ins. And then you can also use turn it in to check the submissions as well. So once all that's done, you'll click on, you can either save it. So you could work on it, do a little bit, save it, come back, work on it another time, obviously discard. Or when you're ready, click on assign. You'll see it's been added to my assigned list here in assignments. And then in a moment, there we go. In the general section, there'll be a post that will go to everyone on there and it will say, hey, you've got a new assignment in Teams. So there you have it, a really simple, straightforward way of using the assignment section on Teams. You can obviously then go ahead and you can mark it in Teams, or it can just be a way that for you to distribute the assignment, and you can mark it in whatever traditional way that you would like. So I hope this has been useful, and I'll see you in the next video.